Oh, what is this? It says my name. Oh yeah, it says my name. Let's go and check it out. Pop it open. Little note. Finishing kindergarten. Love, Mommy and Dad. Well, thank you. And let's see. Welcome to Science Junior. Let's see, what's this? Let's see. I'm gonna zip it and see what it is. Whoa! This is cool. I think this is like, I don't know what this is.
Maybe it's a backpack.
It is a backpack. This is a cool backpack. I like it.
I think you can keep your science projects in it.
Yeah. Ooh, there's a little book. Let's see, what is this? Let's open this. Let's see what's inside here, because I have no idea what's inside. Oh, wrapping. Let's see what this is first. What's this stuff? Do you know what it is?
I don't know.
Write in the comments if you do. What is this stuff? Does it say what it is? I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty cool. Let's go back to, this bag again. Let's see. Whoa. Ooh, stickers. I love stickers. How do we open this? We need to use super scissors or something. Super scissors. Oh, it's a little bag. I didn't see that zipper or like opening there. Let's see. There, got it. There's these cool stickers. Wait, this is just a white sheet. I don't know what that's for. And here are some it's like a poster thingy. It's not really sticky, I don't think. Oh, look at that. This. Oh, I think this might be like a stand or something. That would be cool. Okay. No super scissors? Let's see, what's this? This is, it's a little, it's a little cute thing. It's like a little thing that's like, we are lost, help us find our way home. Let's see. How do we get home? Okay, so here we go. I think you need to like do stuff or something. I don't know. But this is a cool little game you can play. There's a little secret. What's this? Aww. This is cute. And this looks like a little game flipper thing. Let's see, what else? Oh, this is a little book. Open it, right? It's all open. This is cute. Let me read it a little. Welcome seals. Being wiggly and wet little seals. I don't know what that says. This is pretty cool. It says meet Sam Sam and Sophia. Oh, this is a cool little thing. They're like looking at seals. Anything else? I have no idea what this thing is. Oh, there's some stuff in here. I think we need to get it open. Hey, let's be close. There. Look, now these are stickers. Oh, those are actually stickers. Where's that opening? Here it is. Here's a little cute little book thing. I don't know.
Okay. What you got there?
What are the little like poster things? I don't know what they are. I think you like hang them or something. I don't know. And this. What is this ring? I wonder what this ring is for. Ooh, and there's like a little patch there. I think so. There's like, I think you put this patch on your backpack. That is really cool. And look at this. It's really cute. Is that all or is there more? Let's see, just in case if there's more. I'm gonna look. I don't think there's anything else. I think that's it. So, what if we put all this stuff together?
That sounds like a fun project.
Yeah, we should put all this stuff together.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Hi YouTube, so this is the little passports kit. It came with a little Weddell Walker seal that Stella and I are going to make.
Ta-da! These are the pieces.
So it says, when a Weddell seal eats a fish, it stores the calories as potential energy. That potential energy becomes kinetic energy when the seal uses it to waddle around on the ice.
Yeah.
When the fish on the string is pulled, your Weddell Walker stores potential energy. That potential energy becomes kinetic energy when the string is released and yanked back by the spool inside.
That's a cool fact.
Okay. Okay, YouTube. Well, this is what we made. So it's a seal with a fish. Check it out. What do you think?
I love it. And
Ooh.
eat it.
You want to try it out?
Yeah. The fish went upside down. And look, you can't see it. You can kind of see it here, but... Whee! Ah.
Oh, cool. All right. Well, we've got some little baby seals.
Yeah,
to
I put
build.
two together.
So-
I put two little ones together.
We're going to work on them for a while.
Yeah, they're easy to put together. That's it for today. So, bye. Have a great day. And ring that bell, click on that subscribe button, and give this video a big thumbs up.